Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway tutorial how to get Roblox on your PC or Mac. So I will show you step-by-step guide to do this. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and liking the video. So without any delay, first of all, you need to open any browser in your PC and in search bar type this Roblox, and after typing this and open this Roblox.com official website. After clicking on this, this site will be open. If you have not account this Roblox, then first you need to sign up with your these information, and if you have already account this Roblox.com, then you simply click on this login information, and here you type your username and password. After typing this username and password, click on login and your account will be login and all your information will be seen here. And here, if you want to play any game, search here. As an example, I will show you this game. If I click on this game, then this new page will be open, and here you need to click on, here is the green button will be shown here. So after this page is load completely, and then you need to click on this green button. So after this game is loading, so it takes some time according to your network speed. So my network speed is low, so that's why it takes some time to completely load this page. So after loading this page, simply click on this blue icon. Here is the play icon will be shown if this page is completely loaded. So this is the icon will be shown, play icon. So click on this play icon. The Roblox is now loading, and if you not already installed this Roblox software, then first you need to download and install Roblox. I already installed this Roblox software, so that's why this pop-up option is shown in my PC. If you not already installed this Roblox in your PC, then instead of this pop-up option, you seen only this option. So if you not already installed, so first you need to download and install this Roblox option, then you click on this open Roblox option will be shown after you install this Roblox software. So simply I click on open Roblox, and my game is loaded, and this Roblox software is start, and according to your network speed your game will be loaded. And here this game is loaded, and here you play this game in your PC or Mac operating system is also this same method. So in this way you play this game. So
welcome back to Shindo. It's time to grind.
So friends, in this way you play the Roblox game on your PC. So if you have any question related to this solution, simply ask me in the comment section. I will answer there. So if you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. So thank you very much. See you soon in the next